So we are inside the Visual Studio, and for today's video, we're going to add the time interval so that we don't just need to press the left arrow key again and again for the ships to randomly spawn. So in order for us to do this, we'll need to go to void start, and then we'll use this command called invoke repeating. I think we have to use it, yeah. Invoke repeating. So invoke capital I and in invoke and capital R in repeating. And then we'll just get the open and close parenthesis. And we'll need to use the string to call in the function that we wanted to be done. So we want to have the spawn random ships to be the one being invoked. So make sure that the spawn random ship is the same capitalization as this one. So here, if R is small letter, it will not work. So it has to be exactly the same. So then we will need to create a comma, and then we will put on some time. So here it says um, invokes the method name in time second, then repeatedly every repeated rate seconds. So we'll just put 2 here, and then comma, and then maybe 1.5, there's float, and then I'll just close this syntax. So what this means is that it will repeatedly call the spawn random animal every 2 seconds, and then it will repeat again every 1.5 seconds. So because we have this invoke repeating here, we don't need to press the get input down, or we don't need to press the arrow keys in order for it to generate random animals. So here we'll just delete this one. So we don't need that anymore. And because these are two variables, two numbers here, we can create also a variable for that. So we'll make it like let's say private float, and then I will name it as start delay. Have to be capital letter here. And then equals 2. And then for the 1.5, I'll create another private float. And then I'll name it as spawn interval. And then this is equals to 1.5 seconds. And then because it has decimal, just put F here, and then close this one. So now we have this, we have already the variable, so we can just use the variable like start delay for copy here, and then replace 2 with start delay, and then 1.5 will be the spawn interval, so just copy this one and place it on 1.5. So we are inside Unity. Don't forget to save because I have to go back and save and double check it again. So we're now here in Unity, and let's see. Oh my God, there are just one too many. It's overwhelmed with enemies now. But I think because yeah, so because we created this time interval thing and start delay, we'll need to change it. We don't need to have this much enemy. It's just overwhelming. I will be destroyed here. But anyway, since the um, invoke repeating code is working, I don't need to press left arrow key to generate random enemies. It just create randoms enemy even if I press the down keys or the upward keys or the left and right keys. So there you go. We'll just need to change the variables values so we're not overwhelmed with this massive amount of enemies. Um, so that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like to copy the script, you can go to my website. It's romesunberg.com. I leave the links in the description below. I made this video for educational purposes and for my own future references. If you like game development videos, do subscribe. If you want to share something like a better method on doing things or something that you would like to suggest, you can write it down on the comments below. If you have some games that you would like to share with the community or I would love to play and test them, please leave the link. So, guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Cheers. Hey, doll.